In the box, you'll find the CAM PT2, a 2-meter Type-C USB cable, screws and anchors, a mounting bracket, a mounting sticker, and a quick start guide. Connect the Type-C USB cable to the device and plug it into a power adapter to power it on. Open the eWeLink app and scan the QR code on the bottom of the camera. Flip the camera over and press the reset button on the back for about 5 seconds. The pairing indicator should start flashing. This means the device is now in pairing mode. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect it to Wi-Fi. When the indicator stays solid, the setup is complete.